Hi everyone, we are Group 38. We're making a presentation on lean production. My name is Zita, and my group members are Rajesh, Raju, and Prithvi. And the topic we have chosen is THL. I'm going to start with the introduction. Overview of lean production and service industries. Lean production and service industries refers to the application of lean principle which is originally developed to manufacturing and to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of service-based operations. The goal is to maximize the customer's value and minimize the waste. In the service industries, lean production focuses on enhancing the processes, improvising service quality, and reducing the inefficiencies so that there is no added to the value of the customer. Role of globalization in lean production. The role of globalization in the lean production is to signify the manifestations. As business becomes more interconnected and expand across international borders, the need of global operations has been the efficiency, the cost, the reduction, and the quick responsiveness to the market demands has driven the global to spread adoption of lean practices. Some of the keys are discussed below: the global competitive pressures, the market expectations, global supply chain operations, and effective chain management just in time, and many more for eliminating waste across all borders. Lean process is a principle which can be used to streamline flow of goods and services across regions and reducing waste and inventory. Transportation and production processes thereby optimize the global supply chain and network. Now I will be discussing about the origin of lean Toyota production system. The origin of lean production Toyota system has been the trace of post-trade war of two in Japan. The system was developed by the Toyota Motor Corporation to improve the manufacturing efficiency, reduce waste, and respond to more flexible customer demands. The key idea behind TPS has been profoundly to influence on manufacturing and operations on a management level on the worldwide. Now I'm discussing about the lean's evolution from manufacturing to service industries. The evolution of the lean principles from the manufacturing to service industry is the story of adaptation and expansion on the core ideas of lean production, such as waste reduction, continuous improvement, and value creation, which are successfully applied over the traditional manufacturing environments, which are beyond as Toyota's production system. Lean manufacturing transforms how products have been pronounced as over time its principle, whereas they adopted unique challenges to honor service-based industries which lead in the service pains. Lean in the manufacturing industry, the Toyota manufacturing system is the foundation which was founded in the productions of 1950s and 1960s. It is focused mainly to minimize waste called as MUDA, reducing vibration and improvising flow of efficiency. Some of the key principles in this manufacturing includes just in time, waste reduction, and lean's expansion in service industries, which is optimizing to skepticism due to the prevalence and differences between tangible products and intangible services. However, the time of organization has been realized many times over the influences. Identifying the value of the customer's perspective has been the main motive of the MUDA of just manufacturing the goals to eliminate waste and improve the flow. Now, Raju is going to continue with the rest of the topic.
Thank you, Jita. Now we will discuss about continuous improvement. It involves making small incremental improvements to process over time rather than implementing large disruptive changes. Kaizen emphasizes that everyone from executives to factory workers should be involved in identifying areas for improvement and making suggestions for better ways of doing things. uh, by involvement of the employees, this relies on the collective input and efforts of all the employees to identify the problems and solve them. And Six Sigma in lean management, it is a data-driven methodology for improving processes. It also focuses on reducing variation and defects. DHL incorporates Sigma principles to enhance its operations and quality. By applying Lean and Six Sigma principles, DHL can ensure operational excellences. It also improves delivery times, and it also reduces costs and enhance overall service quality. Moving on to the next one, the overview of DHL. DHL is one of the world's leading logistics companies, provides international shipping and courier services. It was founded in 1969 in the United States by Adrian Dalsey, Larry Hillblom, and Robert Lynn. The company initially specialized in delivering documents between the US and Hawaii, but over time it expanded globally and diversified its services. Moving on to the next one, why DHL has a high operational complexity? Because it is in a highly complex and dynamic global logistics environment, which also contributes to its need for lean process to make manage operational efficiency. The company's large-scale wide geographic footprint and diversific range of services create several challenges that requires continuous optimization to ensure customer satisfaction. It also reduces the cost and sustainability. Here are the main parts: global operations with diverse services, handling of large volumes and high variability, complex supply chains and stakeholder coordination, inventory in management and warehousing. Moving on to the next one, positive impact of waste management, energy efficiency. The integration of waste management and energy efficiency within DHL operations through the application of lean principles brings several positive impacts that enhance both environmental sustainability and operational performance. Lean process focus on eliminating waste in all forms, and it also improves efficiency, which not only reduces the cost but also supports DHL sustainability goals. Here are the key positive impacts of waste management and energy efficiency for DHL, like cost savings by applying lean principles to eliminate waste, whether it's in the form of overproductions, excessive inventory, and waiting times, or defective products. By enhancing sustainability, waste management and energy efficiency are key to reducing the DHL's carbon footprint. Practices help of identifying and reduces activities that are not adding value, and improving the operational efficiency and the energy efficiency help streamline DHL operations by continuously identifying and removing all the inefficiencies. Lean practices improving the flow of goods and services. Moving on to the next one, challenges in the carbon footprint supply chain disruption. While the lean principles offer numerous benefits for the companies like DHL, especially in terms of reducing waste and improving efficiency, the company still faces significant challenges in areas like carbon footprint management and supply chain disruptions. These challenges are particularly pronounced in the logistics sector, where environmental concerns and operational complexities intersect. Uh, Carbon footprint management, this logistic industry, including companies like DHL, is inherently energy intensive due to the end of the transportation. So lean principles emphasize the waste reduction, but energy consumption, specifically fossil fuel consumption, it remains an area where lean process alone may not have immediate solution. The transition to renewable energy sources can be costly and timely consuming process. The next process will be explained by Fred Puddik.
Yeah, thank you, Raju. And we discussed about DHL case study sustainability initiatives and lean practices. DHL as a global logistic leader has integrated sustainability into its core business strategy, focusing on reducing its carbon footprint, enhancing operational efficiency, and aligning with global sustainability goals. The company has successfully merged lean practices with sustainability initiatives to address both environmental and operational challenges. Here are some DHL key points. Mission 2050 carbon neutrality goal. DHL is committed to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. The company has set a clear target to reduce its carbon emissions. And Go Green program. Go Green program focuses on reducing DHL environmental impact across global networking, including its logistic operation, supply chain, and customer service. And moving to next slide, uh, steps on lean adoption in the Uh, in a service industry, the concept of lean production oriented in the manufacturing sectors, primarily with the Toyota production, where it was focused on reducing waste and improving efficiency in production process. Over time, lean principles have been adapted in various industries, including the service industry. The core principle in lean services involve waste reduction, continuous improvement, efficiency, and customer value creations. The study explores the adoption of lean in the service industry, analyzing the challenges, benefits, and best practices in implementing the lean principles in services sectors. I'm moving to next slide. Um, Six Sigma key tool for Six Sigma Kaizen value stream mapping. Um, DHL as a global logistic leader has efficiently adapted lean tools like Six Sigma, Kaizen, and value stream mapping to enhance operational efficiency, reduce waste, and improve service quality. Six Sigma at DHL is a data-driven methodology used to improve the quality of process by identifying removing defects. And that's it.
Yeah, thank you, Prithvi. Here I go to aligning lean with DHL business objectives. DHL as a global leader in logistics and supply chain management operates in a high competitive and dynamic environment. To remain at the forefront, DHL has adopted lean practices to optimize its process, reduce waste, improve service quality, and increase efficiency. However, aligning lean with DHL's business objectives requires overcoming various challenges, including resistance to change. Below will be explore how can be aligned with DHL's business objectives and how resistant to change can be efficiently managed. While we go to DHL's business objectives, typically revolve around providing efficient, reliable, and cost-effective logistics solutions to customers worldwide. Uh, uh, Customer satisfaction through on-time delivery, accurate order fulfillment, and high-quality services. Operational efficiency to reduce cost, improve productivity, and ensure streamlined workflows. Um, Next slide. Lean focuses on delivering value to the customer, which is central to DHS objectives of customer satisfaction by eliminating waste such as delays, accessing, handling, or unnecessary steps. DHL can offer faster delivery times, improves accuracy, and better service quality. Lean tools like value stream mapping uh, help DHL identify bottlenecks in the delivery process and address them, delivering ensuring faster and more accurate deliveries, directly improving customer experience. Um, Implementing lean practices in a complex global organization like DHL can indeed come with a high initial um, and these costs include training process redesign, technology investments, and potential distributions during the transition period. However, the long-term benefits such as reduced waste, increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and customer cost savings. Uh, 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 Wait. Some of the lean adoption and globalization. Uh, Lean adoption and globalization. The relationship between lean and adoption and globalization is becoming increasingly important as business look for ways to streamline their operations across borders, reduce costs, and maintain competitive advantage. The global nature of modern business presents both unique changes and opportunities for implementing lean principles for companies like DHL, a global leader in logistics and supply chain management. The adoption of lean practices is crucial to staying practices where speed, efficiency, and cost effectiveness are paramount. Here, overall conclusion of this topic. The synergy between lean and globalization has created both challenges and opportunities for business, and lean practices are highly suited to addressing these challenges. By adopting lean, global companies like DHL can reduce operational costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction across borders. The adoption of lean requires careful consideration of local cultures, regulations, and supply chain conditions. But when implemented successfully, uh, lean practices create a strong competitive advantage in a globalized economy. Here are the references. And finally, thank you.